Hello, this is a quick tutorial for Elise, the first section. And I'm going to play the right hand, then the left, then we'll do it together. All right. All right. So for this first part, you got to count 3 E's. So 1, 2, 3. Then you have this hand position here, 2, 4, 3, 1. So for this part right here, and then this one, I would use 1, 2, 4, 5 for the fingering. It's C, E, A, B, and then E, G sharp, B, C. All right. And the left hand is going to go A, E, A, E, G sharp, B, back to A, E, A, and then you repeat that pattern again. All right, let's put that together. And then after that, you have E, E, so for that, when you repeat it the second time, the last part's a little different. Instead of doing this, you go, which is E, C, B, A. And then when you get to A, that's when you play the A in the left hand. All right, so let's do the whole thing from the very beginning. Here we go. All right, and then just a couple notes, couple things to keep in mind. If you're going to use the pedal, don't use the pedal on that first part there. Use it when you get to the chords, and then change it when you get to the next chord, which is that E chord, and then no pedal when you go back to this. Okay. The other thing was you can do a little bit of a crescendo, like get a little bit louder each time you have this here, and then get soft again. And then a little bit of a crescendo when you get to the top note. So yeah, when you get to that last part, decrescendo, so get softer, and you can slow it down too. All right, hope that helps. Until next time, bye.